Most people have looked at a cloud, a rock, or a piece of toast, and instantly seen a face or a familiar shape. It feels automatic. That reaction is a well-documented brain process, not imagination. The effect is called pareidolia. It comes from how the brain processes visual information. Humans are wired to identify faces extremely quickly. It's one of the strongest visual detection skills we have. This ability is handled by a region called the Fusiform face area, or FFA. The FFA is so sensitive that it reacts to face-like patterns, even if those faces aren't real. Evolution shaped this bias. Detecting faces quickly helped early humans recognize allies, threats, or infants in need of care. It was safer to mistake a shadow for a face than to ignore a real one. Pareidolia also comes from the brain's pattern recognition system. We're built to find structure in randomness. When information is incomplete, like blurred shapes or uneven textures, the brain fills in the gaps with the most familiar pattern it knows. Faces are the top of that list, so they appear first. Even in inanimate objects, children experience pareidolia strongly because their pattern recognition pathways are extremely active, especially active during development. Stress, fatigue, and darkness can increase the effect. Because the brain leans harder on shortcuts when information is limited, artists, designers, and engineers sometimes use pareidolia intentionally to create relatable shapes or friendly-looking objects. Scientists study pareidolia to understand how the brain organizes visual information and how quickly it moves from raw data to meaning. So when you see a face in a tree or a pattern in clouds, it's not imagination. It's your brain doing exactly what it's built to do. More mind and perception science coming soon. Stay curious.